Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a craft haul video. These are items that I purchased from scrapbook.com. I think there are two orders that I placed, maybe three. I keep going back over there when I see something I like, so unfortunately. But first, I want to share with you a beautiful card I received from Sybil here on YouTube. She's Sybil B. And she sent me this really cute card. It was such an awesome thing for her to do. And she has it layered here, really beautiful, and this sweet little ribbon here with this piece of ephemera. And I just wanted to share this card with you and let Sybil know how much I really appreciated receiving this card. I don't correspond with a lot of crafters here on YouTube, so this was definitely a surprise and a very sweet one. So thank you, Sybil. So now to the craft haul. So first up, I got me a new Prima doll, which OMG, I don't need a new Prima doll, but I thought that this one was so cute. This is Jamila, I think, Jamila. And she is 6 pieces. She says it's simply unbelievable how happy you make me. Isn't that cute? And this is the stamps that you receive in the set. A little bow, a flower, and it also says stinking cute. So I can't wait to stamp her out and paper piece her headband and her hair. So look forward to that. And then of course I picked up some of the Frank Garcia Prima 31 collection. I got the 6x6 paper pads, and this is all over YouTube, so I know you guys have seen it. It's 8 double-sided designs, 4 each. I wish there were more designs other than the 8, but I'll take those. They're super cute. I like the cut aparts. Like I said, I know you guys have seen this. It's like super popular. I don't know if anyone else is going to come out with a Halloween collection that's this popular. The black cats and the witch hats and the cauldrons and potions. And then some smaller cutter parts. And some more cutter parts. And there, like I said, it's double-sided. We've got the jack-o'-lanterns, the ghosts, and the candy. And then some pumpkins. Some dots and stars that are dots, and then some stripes, and then a witch's broom. And then this is, I think this is my favorite, with the spider webs. So that's the 6x6 paper pad. And then I picked up the 22-piece puffy stickers. Super cute. Look at that cauldron of pink. Picked up the chipboard stickers, 35-piece. It's really cute. And then I picked up some 12x12 sheets, basically so I could get the cut aparts a little larger. And these have foiling on them, whereas the 6x6 doesn't. So you can see the foil really well in these shots here. Boo. And the back side is the pumpkins or the jack-o'-lanterns. And then this one. Probably won't be using all of these. There's the ghost. He's all blinged out. The spider web at 31. And then the cat down here. Oh, and then the flip side, of course, is my favorite. Yeah. I got 2 of those because the back side is my favorite. And then I got this one. You can see the cut aparts on the stars here and on the little bit on the boo down here. Not a lot. On the top of and the witch there, and the wicket. And then on the back is the broomsticks. And then the last one, I believe, yeah, It's the large journaling cutouts, I guess. Look at that. It's so cute. It's really pretty. It's kind of hard to read unless you're lucky enough to have it in the light like this. Awesome. And then we have a ghost on the back. I also picked up some more of the Simple Story collection for the Simple Vintage Lemon Twist. I got the frames. Let's take a look at these. These are, sorry about the noise. I hate doing that to you guys. But I want you to see these. How pretty are these? And they're such nice sizes. I don't know. I think I like it this way. This way. I don't know. Look at this one. It says, time is best spent with you. And then this one, Be Sweet. The little bee. This one's the double frame. And this one, it's so pretty. It says Sweet Life. There's a little bee over there hanging out on the side. I don't know why I bought these. I don't know what I'm going to do with those, but I love them. And then I bought the Simple Vintage Lemon Twist 41 sticker pack. Super nice. It's just single-sided. I love this color, this green or teal. Oh, I lost one of my stickers in there. Really nice. I also picked up a couple of sheets of 12 by 12. I got this Vicky Bouton sheet. It's called Warm Wishes Holly Jolly. It's from the Warm Wishes collection called Holly Jolly. And this is pretty. And then the flip side is teensy writing. And it says, Warm Winter Wishes, the magic of the season, believe a beautiful silent night. Winter vibes, all kind of words. That's Vicky Bouton. And then I also picked up this Vicky Bouton from that same collection, Warm Wishes. This one's called Deck the Halls. Isn't that fun? I really like this one. I think I may make a sign to go on my front door. I like this a lot. And then on the flip side is this really pretty red. That, unfortunately, I won't be using because I'm going to use this side. And then I had to pick up a couple more sheets of the Simple Story Simple Vintage Lemon Twist. And I did make a couple of cards that I will be sharing on my next video. So stay tuned for that. Also from scrapbook.com, I picked up this penny black stamp set. And it's Trust Me Builder. And it says, trust me, you are the cat's meow. Or trust me, you're appreciated. I like that. Trust me, you make life sweet. You're simply the best. You're the best of the bunch. You're brave and courageous. And you're lovely. Thought this was super sweet for encouragement cards. And then I also picked up from the Paper Boutique this Floral Beauty A6 stamp set. I really like these flowers. It says just for you. And then it has leaves and a little decorative crinkly thing. I don't know what that is. Swirly thing. There's another one over here. Super cute. From the 2 orders that I received, I did get this a freebie. It says Celebrate. And then I also got these rainbow puffy stickers. So it's 76 piece by Penny Black. So real nice giveaways. So that's it. Thanks for watching this haul. Check out the next video. We'll have some card shares for you to include some of the items in this collection here. In this video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you are a current subscriber, thank you for watching. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.